Hi, I'm Dr. Lucky Seacon, a double board certified OBGYN and REI, and I want to address a common source of confusion when I talk to my patients about how far along they are after doing an embryo transfer. I also have an exciting announcement, so stick around and watch the whole thing. So first off, when I do an embryo transfer, a day 5 transfer, I'm generally going to be checking the results 8 to 9 days later. So any transfers I did last week, I'm going to get the results this week. And when I make those amazing phone calls to tell patients that they're pregnant, which is an incredible feeling, but I digress, patients will often ask, okay, so how far along am I considered at this point? And I'll tell them 9 days after their embryo transfer that they are 3 weeks and 6 days, just under 4 weeks pregnant. And most patients are like, I had my transfer last week, the math ain't mathin'. But here's the thing, when we date pregnancies in general, even outside of IVF, we are looking at the first day of the last menstrual period. So it's almost tracking the embryo and its implantation back to when the egg originated or was available in that cycle. So if you think about a blastocyst stage or day 5 embryo as it's ready to implant right after the transfer, if this happened from you just ovulating on your own, really that egg originated approximately 2.5 to 3 weeks prior, right? Because you had to get to ovulation and then the egg fertilized, and it took about a week to get to that stage where it's actually ready to implant. Now, maybe you don't care about the why behind this calculation and you just want a reliable tool. So I have decided to add an IVF duedate calculator to my website, theluckyegg.com, and it is free and available for everyone to use. Now, here's a quick demonstration of how it works. Basically, you put in whether it's a day 3 or day 5 embryo transfer, you put in the date of transfer, so let's say you did it 9 days ago, and it will tell you your due date, and it will tell you how far along you are on the day that you're checking. So definitely check out my blog, theluckyegg.com. I've added this new tool. It's completely free, just like all of the other information. I've been building this site for the last 3.5 years, and it has way more detail and education than I can provide in a simple Instagram video or post caption. So I hope you benefit from it, and definitely let me know what you think.